Video number 5. How to use the latest Google My Business features for your business. In recent months, we've seen Google launch several features designed to help businesses react to the pandemic by updating their GMBs with relevant information that affects their operations. Let's take a closer look at those features and how businesses should view them. 1. Temporarily closed status. The introduction of a temporarily closed feature made it possible for businesses to make the distinction between a permanent closure and a temporary one. As with the case of COVID-19, businesses had been needing a way to mark temporary location closures before the pandemic hit. 2. Google Post Chain restrictions removed. Historically, Google has not allowed chains, businesses with more than 10 locations, to publish Google posts automatically across multiple locations. But as the pandemic took hold, Google lifted that restriction to make it easier for businesses with multiple locations to respond to customers with critical updates. We recommend that you take advantage of this feature while it lasts. Use posts wisely to promote holiday sales, promotions, and special events, while informing customers about protocols you are following to permit these on-site activities safely. 3. New COVID-19 post type. This COVID-19 post type enables a business to post content about COVID-19 and make that post appear prominently on your GMB. When it's posted, it is labeled specifically as COVID-19 related information affecting your business, but delete it once it serves your needs. 4. New GMB attributes and displays. Google added new attributes for businesses to add curbside pickup and no contact delivery, which have been essential for restaurants and retailers. Not only are those attributes above the fold, but Google notes their existence with a check mark or X that makes the attribute even more visible. If these attributes are available to you, it's critical that you use them and make sure they are accurate. 5. Local service ad attribute updates. Service area businesses, such as plumbers and home maintenance businesses, have special requirements. For instance, they need to make it clear to their customers how they'll protect their health while visiting their homes. Fortunately, Google has addressed their needs with a local service ad attribute that makes it possible for businesses to share this kind of essential information. 6. Support and donation links. Google has allowed businesses to post information how their communities can support them, such as buying a gift card or making a donation. These options will most certainly remain for the foreseeable future as brick-and-mortar businesses fight through a recessionary economy. Don't be shy about using support links. 7. Updated safety maps features. Google has revised Google Maps to help people use the app to find routes and times that will make travel safer. An example being a recommended commuter train or driving route that avoids crowds. The safety feature also focuses on people traveling to COVID-19 testing sites. If you are a business owner in an urban environment, let your customers know about this feature in order to encourage customers to travel to your business. 8. Welcome offers. Gain new customers and keep a flow of existing customers. Want to entice new customers or want your existing customers to stay loyal to you? Welcome offers are a great way. They allow businesses to share offers with all your customers. Once a consumer follows the business, they can receive automatic offers that get saved in the offers folder. 9. Request a quote, quick sale, and jackpot. Now with this feature, the customers can ask for quotes on any service out there. Companies can review these quotes and reply to them within the Google My Business app. You can even connect with your customers easily for a quick sale. To enable messaging, open the Google My Business app and go to your listing. Navigate to Customers, Messages, and Turn On. 10. Claim a short name and URL. People love to type short names in Google Maps to find the businesses they like. As you can only change your short name 3 times per year, be very careful while choosing. The pros? They are easily shareable. g.page/company name, rather than posting huge URLs. 11. Q&A. Google's Q&A features allow inquiring from a range of specific queries like asking for offers to single-word comments. There is a provision to upvote them too. To respond to them, you simply can log into the Google Maps app. 12. Book an appointment. Google My Business has recently introduced a great feature which lets you route the users directly to a landing page for booking an appointment. These appointment URLs can be used for any kind of local business. Just imagine the ease for customers rather than holding on calls. They can directly interact and book as per schedules. A long road of recovery awaits, but the good news is that your customers are paying attention to your GMBs, so capitalize with these major updates to help your business make it to the other side. Thank you for. See you in the next video lesson.